Okay, this is a calibration test with the newly modified grippers. You can see if you look at the top of them, they're curved now, and that makes it much easier for them to slide onto the cube if the cube is slightly misaligned. And I'm going to test that the rotations of the grippers align properly. I've had to do quite a bit of calibration, but hopefully they're in a good position now. So I'll just try two different types of rotations. Let's just put it in ready mode first of all. And now we're going to perform two different sets of moves. And as you can see, the edges are lining up perfectly when we rotate. Now that's the first one. It's going to release itself now. And then back into ready mode. This time I'm going to perform moves on the back part of the cube, and you should see that the cube remains properly aligned along the edges, hopefully. There you go. That one could be slightly better, but it's not too bad. Right, there you go, and it's going to drop the cube now. And that's it. If you take the cube out and have a look at it, we can see that it's fairly flush along all of the faces. So the grippers are doing their job, and I'm quite happy with the way they are now.